Hello lovely people, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing amazingly well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very simple but delicious Ghanaian light soup recipe. Yes, we're making goat meat light soup. Trust me, you're going to love the end results. So all you have to do is to trust the process. Now, without wasting much of your time, wear your apron and let's start cooking. I will begin by cooking some vegetables for the soup. So I'll be cooking some garden eggs, pepper, fresh tomatoes, green pepper, and I'll go in with enough water. Cover it and allow it to cook until it's nice and very soft. Remember, you can feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. Now, this is our protein for the soup. I'm going to be using goat meat. Make sure to also wash your protein very well. Now, let's use in our meat with some blended fresh garlic, ginger, and some onions. Feel free as well to use any spice or seasoning of your choice. Moving forward, I also go in with 1 tablet of aromat bouillon. You can also use the shrimp, the allspice blend, and you are good to go. Next, I'll go in with a little bit of tomato paste, salt to taste, and I'll cover it for it to do its own thing until it's nice and juicy. All right, so we are back. As you can see, the proteins are looking absolutely perfect, and that's what we're looking for. The aroma at this point really tells that this soup is really going to taste really good. Trust me. Let's give it a very good stir. We will cover it once more and allow it to do its own thing for about 10 to 20 minutes until the meat are very soft and juicy. And if this is your first time stopping by, hello, this is Cooking with Efya. Here I share easy and amazing recipes right here. So if this is what you're looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much. All right, so fast forward, our vegetables are very soft, and so I proceeded to blend it. After blending, don't waste time, just pour everything back into your steamed meat or the base of the soup, and you are good to go. So after that, I'll go in with enough water. The consistency of your soup only depends on how you want it. Okay, so either you want it light or a little bit thick. It all depends on you. At this stage, kindly taste for salt and adjust to it. I know you are seeing this fish and you are wondering what soup I'm making. I'm making goat soup, but trust me, I'm not enjoying this soup alone. So one special person wanted that smoky vibes in the soup, so I had to add in this smoked catfish. I also added in some apatere as well, and trust me, it took the soup taste to another level. You need to try it, you will love it. In fact, in my house, we don't enjoy the same soup taste every day. We need to add something to it to make the soup taste different every day. I hope you are getting it. So that's why this whole idea pop up. We needed to add in some smoked fish, and not just any other fish. Just a fish announce we get there, something like the catfish and the apatere. The apatere is also almost the same as tilapia, so don't be confused. Okay, we're going to give it a very good stir and allow the soup to cook properly until it's nice and ready. At this point, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you love what you're seeing, and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. And just like that, our soup is ready, looking absolutely mouth-watering and perfect for fufu. All you have to do is to trust the process. In fact, I really enjoyed myself, and I hope you're going to enjoy yourself as well. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this simple Ghanaian goat meat pepper soup or light soup recipe in the comment section. and I'll be very glad to read all your amazing comments down below. I would love to also know what you're going to pair with this kind of soup, and I'll be very happy to read all your lovely comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. And until next time, keep cooking with love, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye.